All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and since St. Patrick's Day is just a few days away, I brought out Lucky and his Lucky Charms. They are frosted toasted cereal with marshmallows. You can see the marshmallows there. So let's take a look at this couple of these Irish St. Patrick's Day type Zippos. And of course, one of them is the dancing leprechaun. That was made in D, April of 2019. Real nice. Another one is the Good Luck Zippo. And that was made in, I think that says 16. Yeah, 2016. D of 2016. Another good one. And of course you got the Lucky Clover, which is definitely St. Patrick's Day lighter. This was made in I of 2011. Good stampings. Real nice. And the best Lucky Zippo that I have is this one. It's the Lucky Clover. It's two-sided. And it was made in I of 2017. Lights up pretty good. And you can see this exact lighter, well, it's the, similar, very similar, in Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. And this is actually the scene you can see it in when the Nazi stronghold gets lit on fire by this Zippo getting thrown onto the floor by, I think it was Sean Connery that dropped it onto the floor. But that is the Zippo that you can see in the Last Crusade. It's a real good one. Let's do a drop test. This Lucky Clover. Stays lit when it hits the floor. That's why the floor caught on fire in the Last Crusade. And all genuine Zippos are made in the USA and deserve a little cowbell. Knock a bomb.